back again. I'm Kushal, and right now I'm done with my TAPMI interview, TAPMI Manipal interview. I applied for both PGDM General as well as PGDM Marketing. So let me brief you with the entire process that is happening in 2021, as this is the pandemic year. So it will be an online process, and there was a MGD, moderated group discussion, followed by an interview. MGD is nothing but a simple group discussion where 6 people are involved, and there is an like what you say moderator too. He ascertains in the first level. He told us that okay, fine. He gave each of them chance to take your stance on the topic, and then discuss. So firstly, coming up to the group discussion part, my topic was that my topic was women empowerment in India, challenges and interventions. So it was 2 minutes were given to think, and then we had to speak. They mentioned that the GD will go on for 40 minutes. This was a bit of a surprise, but fine. So we began, everybody started the moderator themselves began like, okay, one-on-one, what are your views? Each of them represented it, and then we were given chance to interact. Only once it happened that the moderator interfered and said that you need to also think about that there are challenges, but how to combat those challenges. Whereas there were no interventions and interferences, and it ended well. Now coming up to this part, the interview part, the panelists were friendly enough. They said that fine, take a 10 minutes break. After that, they assigned us the timing on like 3:15 this one, 3:30 someone else, on those regards. And my interview was at around 4:30. So this is all. So you have to wait in the chat room. I was admitted in early. My interview started at around 4:05 or 4:10. That was a big surprise. I was having my tea and suddenly the screen popped. As he saw them, it was an instinct that I said, sorry sir, and he was like, why you're sorry? Why you're sorry? So I was like, sir, my tie is not proper and I was having something. So he was like, fine, okay, not an issue, this is fine. The interview there were 2 males, I'll call them Sir 1 and Sir 2 for future reference. And they were very, very, like it never felt like I'm talking to a person like who is an interviewer or that kind of thing that comes to your mind, that he will be grilling you or he will be putting you through tough times and situation. Nothing such. The first question was very simple and straight, that okay Kushal, tell me why you want that, why you want to pursue PGD, why you want TAPMI. So when did you fill your form? I was unable to remember it, so I said okay fine, let me check. So I filled the form on 22nd January 2021. It was after my XAT score. So my XAT score was 98.19. So he was like, so you must have been getting other calls. So why TAPMI? So and why? So even after getting your call, you applied for TAPMI. You must be getting other calls. So why TAPMI? So sir, I said that my mentors have told me that yes, this is a good college and you can apply. And at that time, I did told them about their pedagogy as well as their mission statement, which I found that okay, which was well complete answer. Secondly, then they started drilling me upon my work ex. What I have done that in TAPMI, I told that I am employed in my family business, which is of a super stockist firm. And then they started asking me, so what is the business, where is it located, what is your role in it? And then the questions were like, what are the problems that you faced? What are the general problems that you faced? One of the questions. Then it was like, that what were the solutions that you provided to the problems. Now coming to the sir was very decent, and he asked me that are you sure that you want to take up PGDM marketing, because this is not a marketing course, it is a sales course, but due to AICT approval we have to make it a marketing. We have named it marketing, but it is a sales course basically. I made it very clear, yes sir, I want to be in sales. So he was like okay. Now in my in my PD form, that is profile detail form, I mentioned that I am a cacograph. He asked me that I never heard of such a word, so what is it? I have explained it. Now coming up to general questions that were asked with everyone, and I was fortunate even they asked me even. So what is the risk that you have taken in your life? I was able to explain them the risk that I took. Secondly, that what is your biggest achievement? I explained them that too. And then it was and that's it. No question from academics at all. No question from GK or nothing related. It was more of a communication. It felt like they were either too interested, so they didn't wanted to know me more, or it was they were done. So they asked me that what do you want to ask from me? I simply asked them that what is the EPT thing, and few more things that I wanted to ask. And it ended on a very good note. That's all from my end for TAPME. I'll say that it is a very normal process. You don't need to get worried at all. It will be a general interview, behavioral questions only. They want to literally know you as a person. So that is all in all from my side. Don't need to be worried. You can work upon the questions that they are asking. You can talk with few people if you can have the get hold of what are the questions are, and they will be asking similar questions on the similar lines only. So that's all from my side. And yeah, lastly, the PGDM general and marketing was a combined interview, but they said that you will be evaluated separately for that. I don't know how they will be doing it or what will happen, but yeah, this is all. So best of luck. I'll keep you posted for my other interviews. All the best.